US admissions and visa basics. F1 visas. An F1 student's primary purpose for coming to the United States is to complete a full-time program of study at any grade level. Community colleges in the US. If you want to become an international student inside the US but can't meet the high cost and requirements of universities, consider a community college for your first 2 years. Tests for UC students: SAT, Scholastic Aptitude Test, and TOEFL IELTS. Tests for PG students: GRE/GMAT and IELTS TOEFL. Tuition fee of US universities may range from $20,000 to $50,000 per annum. I-20 students. Form I-20, Certificate of Eligibility for Non-Immigrant Student Status, for academic and language students. This is mandatory for student visa. Service identification number as listed on the Form I-20. Applying for a non-immigrant visa. The Form I-20 lists your program start date. These 160, an F1 student visa for the USA can be issued up to 120 days in advance of your course of study start date. The following documents are required for your F1 visa interview: a valid passport, the non-immigrant visa application, Form DS-160. https://www.applyboard.com/partners/highprofiles